government industry expert. Now it's time for Huawei presentation. We'll focus today on digital architecture that is supported with AI. And I do hope that after this presentation, during this presentation, we will be able to understand what we can offer for the government and how we can support government transition. So in short, I underline how we solve the issues regarding digitization. And then I concentrate on the architecture Huawei provides in cooperation with our partners, with our regional partners. So combining solution architecture with examples, successful cases, you will understand what we can do, how we can support local, regional, national governments, and in the very end, you will be able to answer the question why it is worth cooperating with Huawei. Huawei is a leading provider of ICT products and solutions. We are the global corporate company. We employ more than 200,000 people worldwide. We cooperate with more than 170 countries and regions, and what is important, more than 20% of the revenue, yearly revenue, is dedicated and invested in the R&D. Why we do it? Because we want to meet the most demanding needs of our customers. Our vision and mission is to bring digital to every person, home, and organization, so we need to be present everywhere. We've heard that messages many times why we concentrate on the digitization, that we have global threats, data silos, structured, unstructured data to deal with. But in fact, the one thing is very important. You have it down on the page. We have huge number of data, and the number of data will be rising in upcoming years. The number of data we will have to process, especially government data, because they need to do it also in a secured way. In 2030, we will have to deal with 10 times more data. In 2050, we will have to deal with 100 times more data. So it's a challenge. It's a challenge also for governments. And this is the highest time we need to get prepared and make some proactive actions to deal with data properly and efficiently. So somehow we started from digital city concept. Now we are at the smart city level, but having the big data sets and AI supporting the processing data, we are approaching so-called cognitive city. You will hear this, hear this term in many ways, as it refers to the predictive actions. When the city, when the region, when the entity becomes smart, when they become intelligent, we've heard that many cities already got certificates, right, to become smart. But in fact, many of them only collect the data. European Commission defined intelligent city many years ago. It should be supported with ICT as the key enabler. And in that way, the solutions should address challenges in a smart manner. That's why Huawei offers the complex solution that can deal with the real-time data. Data in different formats. So it's information like messaging, like voice, like video. So all kinds of data we can deal with. We offer open, scalable, green, secured solutions. And in that way, we can support three groups: governors, citizens, and business. For everything, for better city living, business growth, innovation, etc. We know why, but the point is how to do it to make it efficient. Huawei architecture, this is what we propose to different verticals, let's say. If our customers want to concentrate on education, on smart healthcare, emergency, intelligent transportation, smart lighting, whatever the vertical is, we can base on the same concept. So having the lowest layer with the sensors, because our solutions are somehow limited by the sensors availability. If we can collect the data, if we can provide data, then we can deal with the holistic solution. Inclusive connectivity, so data should be transmitted. And we offer the wide range of solution. I will discuss it in a moment. Then we need to store the data. So it can be the on-premise or cloud data management, unified data platform, then applications and AI that supports data processing. So this is what we can do. And we do it for centralized data management, for secure data management, and offering the green solutions. So all together, as you can see in the down right corner, it's based on cooperation with partners. And this is an important message. Depending on the city, depending on the customer, we try to provide a regional, local partner, and all together we provide a complex solution. As I mentioned, the connectivity matters. Our goal is to provide IT to backbone network, 1G to buildings, and 100 mega to everyone. We have different options for to connect and transmit the data. And we can deal with difficult environmental conditions. We can deal with different topology. The most demanding requirements offering 5G, 4G, and BIoT, radio connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, yeah, the highest with for the wireless connectivity, or the secured ELTE network when the city wants to provide a wireless secured connectivity. For the data storing, we have also wide range of solutions. So depending on the requirements, we try to help the customer choose the best one. Data center facility, outdoor, indoor solutions with containers. We can equip the indoor solutions. Then we provide the green data center infrastructure. So depending on the data, we want to process, if it's visualized data, massive data, we have different dedicated solutions. Huawei is the full stack cloud data center provider. So this is somehow unique solution, and in that way we can concentrate on any scenario-oriented solution. I need to emphasize that these solutions are green, especially nowadays when we put a lot of attention on climate change, green solutions. So our offer provides 30% lower power consumption with smart cooling inbuilt in solution. We can have 40% water saving, etc. Our data in the solutions we provide are secured. Huawei Dual Network Storage Ransomware Protection Solution offers 6 levels of protection. We have network protection line and storage protection line. I wouldn't like to get into technicalities today, but what I want to emphasize, the solution offers the fastest data recovery and restoration in the industry. So your data is protected. When the city wants to integrate the smart intelligence solution with the so-called integrated communication platform provided 100% by Huawei for ensuring the incident management or crisis situation management, we offer such a solution, and this platform can be integrated with intelligent platform, IoT platform. This is efficient and single and unique somehow solution dedicated for city services, emergency services, when the two-way communication with the on-site resources is necessary. So we can control the situation, the incident management on-site. Call taking, dispatching, video conferencing on demand, IoT, everything to provide the full incident management processing. What I have said so far, the communication layer and layer regarding the storing, the data collection is based on the top industry products. This is what Huawei provides. And this is the message, the main message, as solution combined with other software providers. Any vendors, it's based on the best products, the products that offer the best efficiency, security, and they are green. You can see here the number one for connectivity. Huawei recognized as the data center switching, the leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Also number one as the customer choice. So it matters for us because customers' opinions are very crucial from our perspective. So all the products were rewarded and they are top place in the top ranked in the industry. What our partners provide, we have regional partners and local partners, as I mentioned. So they collect data with the single platform. This is important from our perspective. So all the data is managed with the single solution. Then visualized. It's also the key part, as most of us are visual learners, 60–70%. We prefer graphs, diagrams, PPTs to see. So all the data is easily managed in the operation center or the command control center, however you call it. This is the place we collect the data and the results of the analysis. It's much easier for the system operator or the governors to make the right decision. The solution let us concentrate on different verticals. We have different options. We can concentrate just on city operations or on digital government, on unified intelligent video or smart education. Whatever customer expects, however we can deal with the most demanding requirements. Here you can see the examples of the different smart solutions we can offer in cooperation with our partners. The list, of course, is much longer. I want to draw your attention to the third column with the value for the city. The green numbers are provided by our customers, so we already have good results for smart lighting, a very common solution, especially concentrated on energy cost decreasing. We can reach 70%. Frankly speaking, I've heard about higher numbers, but this one comes from our customers. Smart energy saving in city buildings, 25%, and so on. So it's already proved that the intelligent solutions are important not only for citizens because they can touch it, they can feel it, but also for governors. Smart lighting. The smart pole can be used for different solutions, and we can use the smart pole for installation of different sensors, different devices, Wi-Fi monitoring, base stations, EV chargers. If we want to go for smart parking, I need to speed up. I got the warning. Smart recycling. For the smart waste management in the city in Slovakia, we got the cost reduction at 32% level. This is my favorite examples. Smart transportation, environment, and mobility. 3 verticals were provided for Amsterdam City in cooperation with Dutch partner. The dots are moving. So this is real-time information, and the system operator can control, can monitor the delays for buses, trams, metro. The other data let them have the awareness of the other environmental conditions. Girona City put on motion the intelligent campus network. So here, with iMaster NC, so our centralized network solution, they can provide network control, fault prediction. They can have current status analysis, optimization suggestion. They can control the network and the resources and the users, of course. Much more advanced solution in Saudi Arabia. As you can see, many verticals. Smart traffic management. What we can do for traffic? We can use different algorithms and smart cameras. So it helps us to do the job in case of incident in a few seconds. This example shows that the time will be the assisted accident determination will show 6 seconds. I don't know why it works. It worked finally. You can believe me, it was 6 seconds. So we had the result and the potential driver who caused the incident in 6 seconds. So it matters from the perspective of the future analysis, of course, or the drone-based monitoring. So illegal turns, disorders, tracking goods, motor vehicles cross. So many examples when the AI can be used. Danger crossing, weapon or other dangerous object detection, smoke and fire detection, especially for forest or big cities. Shenzhen, a short movie I want to show you after this slide, because Shenzhen, the 20 million citizen city, was awarded in 2024. They deployed in 2022 the Intelligent City project. It was completed, and the huge number of verticals were provided. Also, the platform for communication with the citizens. So you can see here, 37 million cases are handled now annually. So this is the huge number, and the satisfaction rate is 99%. So now you can see what's been done on the area of 78 square kilometers.
The city I see, it's not the city you see. Buildings, streetlights, cameras, fire hydrants seem to have lives. I can communicate with them, know their health, understand their movements. Play a world, wisely govern the city. This isn't a sci-fi world, this is digitalization. The progress of digital technology has been enabling people to twin real cities in the virtual world. Like an image in a mirror, the digitalization delicately corresponds to the location of every street, every community, every neighborhood, every house, and even every pipeline in the real world. Our GCIM platform gathers 78.66 square kilometers of real scene data. This square kilometers of fine modeling data, more than 20,000 buildings and 550,000 urban components. It will support the wide application of all departments and streets in urban planning, construction, management, and services. In 2022, Shenzhen implemented the reform of comprehensive services for people's livelihood, demands and built a platform for public opinion at the urban level. Fusion District promoted this reform switching. We can allocate a single work order from distribution system to the handling people in seconds. More than 340,000 people's livelihood work orders are handled annually. The on-time completion rate is 100%. The intelligent dispatch rate and accuracy rate are over 91%. At the same time, the four intelligence converged system, but also reduced the cost of urban governance, improved the efficiency of urban governance. Vehicle illegal parking has always been a persistent disease of urban governance. But in Fusion District, Shenzhen, the treatment of this persistent disease can be achieved in seconds. Cameras on the eye system. Once illegal parking is found, they are transmitted to the intelligent brain with decision-making and command capabilities. Through the intelligent network, the brain quickly sends action instructions to the community network, where it is located, and sends reminder messages to violators. After correcting the violations, the final report is formed. The governance system of four-wisdom integration also lets an intellectual body have bright eyes. The unmanned sweeper can accurately clean the target area without blindly cleaning line by line. The wisdom of digital cities not only efficiently handles events that have happened and are happening, but also warns the future. Our Shenzhen city to summer, typhoon days and rainstorm days weather is warm. Early May in 2022 saw our slope. It had some walls are cracked. We caught landslide or collapse phenomenon. After reporting it, the community staff contacted me in less than 5 minutes and immediately arrived. At the scene, the district's housing and construction bureau, as well as their third-party testing agency, arrived at the scene in less than half an hour. Slope cracks seem to be a weak signal. Fusion wisdom brain, combined with multi-dimensional real-time data model deduction, predicted its high-risk degree, quickly issued early warning, effectively avoiding the deterioration and escalation of the situation. Faced with the massive amount of urban information every day, the brain summarizes and codes the information according to calculation principles, and then compiles the daily newspaper of the people's situation, using big data analysis of the public opinion. On a day, we can find problems, timely compile the daily newspaper of the people's situation, and assist the leaders in decision-making. At present, this social issue has become a barometer for understanding the social conditions and public opinion of the whole region, and is also a desk book that our district leaders must read every day. When scattered data flows in an orderly manner according to preset rules, even cold steel and cement transmits the city's pyrotechnic temperature. The elevators in this neighborhood didn't use old, were aging, so we called and they sent someone quickly. It was installed in less than a few months from booking the elevator to installation. I obviously feel that the things we reflect are actually managed by someone, and the speed of doing it is very, very fast. Our smart city and our digital government should be a full-time, ubiquitous, intelligent, and efficient scenario. Our government services are more convenient, beneficial, and intensive. Then our cities will operate more efficiently, and the citizens will have a stronger sense of acquisition. The digital transformation of Fusion District of Shenzhen takes the event center at the core, and uses the digital perception twin and the urban management center as the engine to efficiently handle one thing: exchange computing power for manpower. Jointly open a new model of digital fusion for public opinion quick responding.
Inspiring, isn't it? It's really worth watching what is going on in Shenzhen. They can react for incidents, for the current situation, and make proactive actions having the data. We can define AI support and savings and revenue dedicated for different verticals we can implement for our customers, as it helps to deal with the future incidents, the phenomena that can happen. And having the data, having the massive data, especially AI, is the key part. We have a lot of experience in providing intelligent solutions for our customers. Worldwide, as you can see, we have implemented it in more than 100 countries and regions, and we'll be very happy to support any of your ideas for the intelligent solution. As I said in the very end, what actually makes our solution unique? So based on what I have said so far, you can have holistic solution, complex architecture, the solution that is scalable, so you can start from POC, then we can build the strategy and extend the solution. It will be based on top industry products, and in that way, you will have it efficient, secured. And of course, we offer fast deployment, continuous project support, and something else, but this is topic for different discussion, financial models, different financial models. So this is what we have started this year. We cooperate with different cities, offering different ideas how to finance the project, because in many ways these are huge investments, and sometimes in many ways I would say the budget is limited. So we can, together with our partners, we can also help with it. So thank you for now, and invite you for communication. Thank you very much.